Hi everyone. I hope you can see. Shaira.
Hello. Hi everyone.
Our channel have live stream. First I will explain. This is live stream is from the airport, Clark International Airport. Now we in the Plaza Premium Lounge and we traveling to Thailand right now. Shaira busy, she eat right now. I will also eat. But I'm not hungry, I eating home. We just talk first about where we go, what we can do. Of course I will filming in Thailand, I have small camera. I hope you can hear me, because my microphone in the back, I use, it's not YouTube application for live stream, it's new application, I just will try. That's why maybe sound is not so good, but I will explain how long time we travel and what we can do in Thailand. So our travel is to Bangkok. It's travel time 3.5 hours. We're going to Pattaya, use bus. In Pattaya we will stay in Naya Terminal 21, and our travel is 11 days. So we come back to the Philippines March 19th. Shaira want to buy help over. Shaira say спасибо. Спасибо, it's in Russian language, it's thank you.
Shukran.
How was this?
Shukran in Arabic.
Arabian language, yeah.
Thank you. Salamat. Shashe. Kamsahamnida.
А вот is in Korean. Wait, I will check people watching us or not. You will use another phone. Live stream. Last stream in the Philippines. So our travel. First I will show to you business lounge. When Shaira eat, I will change. I don't know how to change in this application to another view. Don't know. This one. Front camera. Ultrawide camera. Okay, it's better. Shaira eat first. It's my food. Okay, I will show to you Plaza Premium. This is small Plaza Premium, but it's okay, comfortable. Have foods also. Mushroom soup, fried rice. You can see. Okay, thank you. Oh, have fried potato and fish fillet. I will say to Shaira. Shaira maybe like fish fillet. Shaira, we put more foods. You can take fish fillet. Also have chicken. chicken maybe have fried potato have. I know you like fried potato. Later? Okay, we have time. Now 3:29. Our flight is 6:15. 5:30. We need to go to the boarding. Plaza Premium. This is our flight. Cebu Pacific to Bangkok. Gate 13. Gate 13 is very close. Price for entrance is 2,800 peso for one person. Before is 3,600, now cheaper. It's good. You see, this is not so big space, but it's comfortable. Also have for Han Resort. I don't have people from Han Resort. Room for Han Resort. I want to show beer. Take a look, beer. No, I don't want to drink beer, but I like bottle. I like style Leon. What have? Have also alcohol, I see. Coffee. Dessert station. Okay, dessert is good. Shaira don't know how to. I give to her. No, this one. You can put like this. Yes. What is this live stream, Shaira?
No, it's not like
Ah, it's. I know most of the Philippine people connection with family always. But I'm not hungry. I eat already in home.
you need to wait.
Wait, I will change to front camera wide. Okay. This is wide or not? Like this. Okay. Guys, we will eat little bit. And Shaira talk with your father. It's okay. You can hear.
Sa loob na kami. Sa loob na kami.
I don't know spicy or not. No, you better say to your father, watch live stream. Live stream. Not need to. By the way, Shaira have Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi
Ay,
here.
yes, already.
Premium Plaza Wi-Fi or airport Wi-Fi.
Diyan na.
This
Ay,
is
isa. Okay, bye-bye. Bye.
this is egg, curry egg. It's not spicy. It's good taste. I will take more.
It's not spicy.
No, not spicy. Yeah.
Yes, no.
No, vegetable is good. But fish, I will cook fish. Guys, we will every day we can do live stream if you want. Because I bought a SIM card, 3 SIM card eSIM for Shaira and 2 for me. 1 for live stream. So have enough gigabyte. So no problem to do live stream in Pattaya. Just a message if you like. If we can see if you like, we can do. What Shaira you expecting in Pattaya? Because two years you've not been in Pattaya.
Expecting?
I will put more close camera because maybe you cannot hear.
I think I will more expect that there's many people there.
No,
After
now maybe not so many people.
No, after the war.
After maybe.
No. Yes. right?
Airport Dubai is closed. Kuwait airport is closed. It's not easy to travel. Who want to travel from Asia to Europe? They already canceled so many tickets. That's why it's problem.
So maybe so many people.
Even I know in Russian news we have information about they want to send to Bangkok Russian airplanes to return Russian people who won't come back to home because not easy. Or they put more flight to Bangkok or Bangkok and another place in Thailand. Phuket. In Phuket so many people from Russia. Same in Thailand, in the Philippines, in Angeles many Korean, so in Phuket many Russian people. And some of Russian people say, "Oh, I don't want to go to Phuket because many Russian we don't like."
Take the egg. Yellow egg.
This one? Yellow, you don't want yellow.
The white.
But yellow is in the Philippines, it's ice. No, yellow ice. Yellow egg is egg.
Yellow also.
Yellow. Color yellow, but in Tagalog, yellow is ice. I remember some of Tagalog words. It's little bit funny for me because, for example, suka, it's in Russian language, it's bad words. Some of people say bad words to girl who beach. I don't know. Suka.
I cannot say the word, it is the bad word.
But you can, with many people, they not speak Russian language.
But I want to say, if I'm angry, I can say that one.
What you say? You say.
Sukoblat.
Yes, it's also a good word. If angry, you can say.
I know curse word in Russian. If you say angry, like,
I already stopped speak Russian language. No, when I come back from Russia, I talk in Russian language even in the Philippines, I try of course, or in China. When I come back from China, I try to talk in Chinese language in the Philippines.
before I remember we met before, your English is not the same right now because before your English is not good.
No, the people cannot hear you.
I said before we met last 2015, he is not good in English and he talk like Chinese.
Chinese?
Yes.
So you think now my English is bad?
Yes.
But before, when I study Chinese language, my English more better.
But before your English is like I need to understand one. But right now it's okay. But before I don't understand your language, but right now I can understand
No, you not understand me?
because you're Russian.
No.
I thought you're fighting with each other with Georgie before.
Guys, if we're talking in Russian language each other, for example, two Russian people,
I see.
she think we fighting because it's different language and she think it's fighting, but we're not fighting, we're just normal talking. That's why she always, why you fighting with Georgi, why always fighting? We're not fighting, we're just normal talking. You know, Chinese people usually loudly talk because need to if you not loudly, they not understand because different like dialect, different I don't know how to pronunciation. I don't know because I cannot explain. Are you already not hungry, Sharon?
Can you eat this chicken?
Chicken. Okay. Not spicy.
Нет.
Нет in Russian language, it's no. In English it's net is net. Internet. In net.
Нет.
But
Нет.
sometimes if they think what is you talking about what? Or for example, she said to me da. In Chinese language da it's big. Da, like this say. But in Russian language it's yes. It's, but in Tagalog yes, what need to say?
Oo.
Oo. Oo. I will check. Maybe some comment about live stream. О, many comment.
Comment already?
Ага.
Oh yes, so many.
Balibabo from Japan, Mr. Leon, July. I see you, I have chocolate. Oh, thank you, Balibabo. Safe
Thank you
travel
so
and
much.
enjoy. Thank you guys for what you do for Norfolk. Norfolk One. Norfolk One. You are welcome. Elvin from Hawaii. Hi Leon and Shira, thank for meeting me for dinner in January.
Oh,
also, Elvin, thank you for invite us.
Thank you also.
Yeah. If you want video, because you know, maybe you want if I take video this time, but I'm shy to say to you, maybe you don't want video, but if you send message already, if you want, not problem, you just say, I can filming in this time, but I'm shy to filming if I meet with subscribers, because sometimes they don't like if some of people like, some who don't like. Have a safe travel. Thank you. Next time you also visit
Marba?
Marba Lounge,
Okay.
including smoking area fee. But I don't know, Marba Lounge, I don't know where is.
I think we've been there the other lunch.
Another lounge is second floor, but this is Plaza Premium is launch is near our gate.
I think it's what is this, the last we've been in VIP lunch before the time is
Happy Women's Day. Shaira, Happy Women's Day.
Thank you so
Today, Women's Day, International Women's Day. In Russia, it's a very popular holiday. Before it's February 23, it's Russian Army Day. 23 February. And girls greet to guys, February. And now it's International Women's Day, also in Russia, international. So I already messaged to my mother, to my relatives also, to Shaira. Only now I say, because we always from morning we so busy, so need to fix something in home, prepare. No, we prepare in advance, but also need to clean something. Also our cat
What
now.
name? Angeli. No.
Arnold
Luggage.
also hand life. Hello, Mike Schultz. I like your watch.
Thank you so much. But happy Women's Day to all moms, titas.
Hello
Girls
from
there.
Tokyo. I like Tokyo. I won't visit Japan. I won't. But for Japan, Russian citizen need to make visa. It's free, but only in Russia. So I need go to Russia to make visa. Online already cannot. Before I cannot take online.
I have also relatives in
Yes, Shaira have relatives
Japan.
in Japan. Good guy. I know one guy. It's look like Yakuza.
Yes.
Or maybe he's Yakuza. I don't know. But he was old. But I had business before in Japan with Yakuza. my car business. So long time I do business in Japan. I travel Japan everywhere I've been in Japan. I want to visit Japan, but now I'm in the Philippines and I can't make visa from the Philippines to go to the Japan. Maybe if I visit Russia, maybe I will make visa in Russia for Japan. But now I don't want to visit Russia because it's very strict in Russia. Maybe you know. Even my mother said, Leon, you better stay in the Philippines. In Russia, internet now blocking, YouTube not working, Instagram not working. Even I not use Instagram, but YouTube, how I upload video, many problem. No, in Russia very good, she said, very good, but problem with internet.
Message.
I have lived in Tokyo for 20 years. We can fly for 150 peso to Clark. Yeah, very cheap, very cheap. For example, I travel to Hong Kong, summertime. Summertime, it's mean in the Philippines, summertime, rainy days. Sometimes it's 2,000 peso, two-way, guys, two-way, 2,000 peso. So that's why I not need to extend my visa, better take flight to Hong Kong. It's easy. And we live in the near airport. Our home, it's very close from airport. It's only 10 minutes. We have video. I take video how we travel from home. Of course, I will upload. Guys, I want also say during this week you can continue watch video from Angeles City. Interesting video, really interesting video. Last weekend you can watch interesting moments from the Fields Avenue about girls, what happened. You can watch. I schedule every morning 8 a.m. You can watch video every from the Angeles City. But we will make video from Thailand. You know, all video delay 1 week. Because need edit video, need time to moderators check. That's why our video always delay 1 week. It's not next day we upload video. What you want?
Find another food.
Yes. Okay, we go with you. I will show it also to you. Wait, I change. Ultrawide. Okay, ultrawide. Okay, I will check what Shaira want to buy or want to take. Where Shaira? Shaira. You want fruit salad. Spicy. What is spicy jicama? Pickle. Okay. This one, you see new. If you want chicken and fish fillet. Don't want? Egg sandwich. Sandwich is okay, maybe I will take. It's a fruit salad. Okay, fruit salad. I don't know what I will take. Sandwich. Wait, I will take from like this. Sandwich take. One sandwich is okay. Okay. Shaira, first you need to eat normal foods. Sweet is later.
But I already ate food.
Yes, sandwich is better. Okay.
I will try.
So better eat normal. Sweet is not need it. You already full?
No, I can eat later.
But you eat sweet and again eat.
What can I do?
Okay, what can I do? Okay, change. Ultra wide front camera, ultra wide. Okay. But I'm not hungry, I eat already in home. morning I eat home. I prefer Subic girls are less aggressive. I hope you go to there again soon. Alangapur and Bare. Yes, we will go. We will go to Subic if you want. We can stay in hotel in Subic. And filming in Subic. We not go to the bar. Bars, we don't like bars. But we can walk around Subic, Baretta, Alangapur also. You are right about girls, but some of thinking is Angeles, it's girls, it's only who work in the bar. No, most of the people, most of the girls who live in Angeles, they not do it like what you're thinking. It's very normal people. Just only not need to find girls near walking street. Just go far, little bit far. I will make video how I walk before my second time in the Philippines, how I walk in the bars, how I take a not relationship, how to I meet with girls also, bar girls, before Shira. I will make video. I need only time because travel always. We travel somewhere or I don't have time. But I try to make video, and maybe for some people will interesting because how to find normal people, how to talk with good people, not from the bar. And my experience from the bars girls also. I had good experience. Now only 3:51. A little bit in. Rice, but I don't like only onion. Onion I don't like from when I young time. I was chilled.
See?
What is this?
From Kuwait.
Oh, Kuwait.
Yes, a building, like government building there.
Attack Kuwait. Today I messaged to our friend Ali. He in Kuwait. He lives in Kuwait. I already messaged to him. He's scared now. Maybe not scared now, I don't know. But I talked with him. Because his flight from Kuwait to Manila, when we come back to the Philippines, and after 2 days his flight to the Philippines. And we will meet with him. He will, maybe if he like, maybe he will talk to the camera about this situation in the Middle East. Because he know he's pilot, American Air Force also. He pilot in fighter. He know everything about this. And maybe he explain. Just wait our video in the future. I hope we can meet with him in the March 21, 22. Yes, I also watch news. Subic has beach, which I like. Yes, I don't know how to find normal girl when I go only for a week. For a week you can, but important, you cannot talk with girl about go together to hotel with you. You can talk communication, maybe eat together in a restaurant, just connection, meet with your family and communication. Even you already in your country, you can communication. Before we live with Shira together, it's long time. Shira, we meet before in near SM Clark, yes, and even first day we not eat together.
Take a look.
What is this?
Big fire. They
Ah.
dumped the fuel there.
Where is
In
Kuwait?
Iran.
Iran. Shaira, I don't want. It's not need with news. I don't want. I not asking about to more what I want, but just only need wait. Yes, when I go to Hong Kong, come back from Hong Kong, I give some gift to Shaira, visit her family.
And you asked me already.
What I ask
You
you?
asked my hand.
Only hand, yes. But one year we not.
Yes, for 1 year. You
One year we not
don't have communication.
don't have communication. Yes, because I'm busy. I have many businesses in China, Russia, and this time also in Japan. I have business. That's why when I travel to Philippines, it's only for like vacation. I will explain why I go to the Philippines. Even I have apartment in China, good apartment. My brother Alex, who already died, live in my apartment also. I pay for him for everything I pay to Alex. Because Alex don't have money. So I help to him. Because my mother said, our mother with Alex, she said, Leon, Alex always drink alcohol in Russia, meet with some people in home, and she don't like smoke in home. She said, please take him to China. Maybe he will stop drink alcohol. Maybe he will do better. That's why I buy ticket for Alex, and he live in my apartment because I have two bedroom apartment in Shenzhen city, it's center of Shenzhen. Who knows Futian? Futian, Shenzhen is very close to Hong Kong. To Hong Kong it's maybe 10 minutes drive car, and have car of course Toyota Highlander.
Thank you.
We're traveling to in China with Alex also. I show to him China, different provinces. But he continue drink alcohol, not stopping, not stop.
It's okay. It's past is past. Okay?
Pass.
You don't need to think about your brother. He's already.
I thinking because only now in the court, we open case in the court in Russia, because in Russia, in document he's still alive. And only 1 week ago, they confirmed document with his death certificate from Russian language.
Can we stop about your
Okay.
brother? He's already.
Okay, wait, I will check. Safe travels, Jeffrey Williams, safe you, Jeffrey Williams. How come live in Philippines? What is how come? How it's easy. We make video how to pay travel tax. Just wait, after 1 week you can watch video how
Maybe she have girlfriend
Ah.
or what? I don't know. I don't understand.
Shaira already traveling with, we traveling already a long time, and before COVID already we traveling. She been already in Hong Kong, Thailand many times. Even we traveling before COVID
Even
together.
what is this? Even the immigration check my last travel. He said she said that you've been in Thailand before last March. March also. Yes.
But problem it's first time. If first time you traveling,
So many
have
documents.
it from Manila. Need not so many documents. Documents the same. Need only ticket, return ticket, confirm
And
hotel.
also,
But we check Facebook account, my and Shaira about our picture. But I not use Facebook because I am Chinese. China don't have Facebook. I have account QQ only.
if your first time living together in living in Philippines, you will gonna separate in one room, like separate
Yes,
room.
interview in different room. Interview with Shaira, interview with me, and we asking how
You need to like.
Shaira need
correct
know about
together.
me, I need know about Shaira.
How many years you together?
Yes, that's why I know her family, Shaira know my family, she know about me everything.
Like all details from your boyfriend and girlfriend, you need
Yes.
to know. And what? If you're first time traveling to one of the country, if you're with foreigner, you need your itinerary. You need to print it first. If,
Nicholas called to me 2 weeks ago about, we talked with him. Leon, maybe Shaira have girlfriend for bring her to Thailand. I will pay for ticket.
It's not.
I said Shaira have friends. Maybe they won't go to Thailand, but problem is they don't have passport.
No.
Even he, for example, buy ticket. It's not easy. How we take to. I said to Nicholas, go to the Philippines, meet with normal people, and travel in the Philippines. But if you like, you can later in the future travel together anywhere, even your country in Europe. He not from Russia. You remember our friend Daniel? Daniel, before traveling to the Philippines, he want to find a wife. Yes, he always traveling to find wife. In Angeles, not easy because of course he stay in where he stay. Near Clarkton Hotel have same apartment. Daniel Place. You maybe someone know Daniel Place in Angeles City, Malabanias, because Daniel want to stay in Daniel Place. He said not easy to find good girl in there because need more time. And what? He find Thai girl in the Latvia, in Riga. It's already her wife, and he traveled together and went to the Philippines with her. Have video in our channel. What Shaira have some message?
No. I'm watching something.
Shaira watching. You can watch. How about? Because I cannot see sunglasses in the back. Check. Not sunglasses. Reading glass. Okay, I see you go to holidays to Thailand. Shaira won't sleep.
It's sleep later.
Sleep? Shaira, you can sleep 3 hours.
But there is this, sometimes I cannot sleep too.
Better talk with. Shaira, better not sleep here.
But I want like this one.
Because I'm only one. Alone and aware. Shaira, we
You
cannot
can
see
try
you.
this one.
Better
They won't take this
this
first.
side because I cannot see your face, Shaira. Okay, I will help you.
So we're gonna use my job.
Shaira, you can see this. Yes. Yes.
I'll use this one.
I don't know. For me, water, drink more water.
Try.
Oh, wait, Shaira. I have
Sandwich.
sandwich. Sandwich also with mayonnaise. Not so many I want. It's little bit.
Salad.
Fruit salad is so many sweet.
No, it's not sweet.
I take power bank. This is old power bank I bring, and they have small. No problem to. We're not asking. to show power bank. But if you travel in China, need to power bank with CCC.
I forgot what I need.
Thank you for watching. My phone always fast low bat. Already old phone, but so many information I use always this phone flip when I filming in Angeles City. I not bring iPhone, I not bring another phone because it's foldable, easy to put in the pocket. And
Look,
what
how
is
many
this?
views I have
What is this?
on YouTube.
Shaira have also YouTube channel. What name?
My life Philippines.
It's My Life Philippines Shaira name. How many subscribers?
I have only a little bit because I need
106 subscribers.
But the views of my videos are because of 2 point.
Where? 2 point. I don't know. You can show to me.
This one, 2.1k views.
2.1k. It's okay.
1 point.
Shaira filming how I filming. No, this is YouTube channel. It's also Shaira YouTube channel. I have only YouTube channel, but not for public, for my relatives in Russia, in Russian language only. That's why last time I not filming. Most of the video I sent to my mother direct to her.
Oh, someone takes some video in Walking Street right now.
Where? Walking Street. I watch Facebook and I see security guard always every day filming in the Walking Street in front of what is this? In front of Lollipop bar. He every day filming, even Zoom, girls, some people. Who is?
Korean maybe.
So many people. Guys, even allowed. I don't want. I already tired with Walking Street. Really, Walking Street tired. I don't want go to Walking Street. Even my friends asking Leon, can we go to Walking Street and asking with Shaira? I invite you to a cafe. We can sit in cafe. Even I don't want go inside. I don't like. So for me, Walking Street is taboo for me. I don't want not only filming, even walk inside I don't like. Not interesting for me. What I need to do in Walking Street. Everything expensive. Walking Street it's a special place for who want to find expensive girls. Let's go. Who want? I don't want. I not need. Before I filming for you. Maybe someone don't know why I start filming in Walking Street. It's COVID time, and my friends.
Oh, Sandra.
Wait, my friend always asking Leon, can you take video? What happened in how many people in the Walking Street? I said okay, and I start filming in Walking Street. It's already every time I filming. It's like hobby already. But now I don't want Walking Street. It's enough already. Walking Street enough. But I will filming Fields Avenue, around Real Street, Santas like this. I will filming. So every weekend you can watch video from Fields Avenue, Perimeter Road also. Maybe 2 times a week now I will. No problem for me. I like walk. I will show to you not only Walking Street. Walking Street don't want. Because if someone attack me, who can help me? No one. If police, yes, police of course help me. but don't have police in the fields walking street. Don't have. But ACTA, you know ACTA protect Korean bars.
Stop it already. About the what is this focus?
Okay. I don't want to talk about walking street. No, I just explain. Okay. Sandra, good evening, Mr. Leo. Hi, Sandra. Sandra, I know you like walking street, but sorry, no, only our live stream, not not from walking street now. But we can show to you Pattaya. Pattaya. I don't want, of course, Soy 6 inside so many videos. I show to you a little bit, but we just filming our life, where we walk. It was state of Share last, because I cannot see, about home side down.
I'm curious, when you did your course on foot, what is it around now, or
No, maybe people not hear you. You can say to camera. I have two microphones, but I use this application. I first time use. I don't know how to. I will try next time. Try to connect two wireless microphone. Yeah. Now only four.
what is this? He asking if the dog bother you if you're walking in Dao and home side. Because you're walking, or maybe you have something like problem.
If dog maybe bite. No. Most of the dog daytime don't have problem. Daytime. Just problem if you walk nighttime. Because daytime dog is not afraid. Afraid people. But nighttime, some of dogs go from a different
They are
place.
more aggressive.
More aggressive. Even in our barangay, Shire always bring something for
Even if what is the some barangay need to take some what is this food.
wood, some, yes.
Because it's night.
Nighttime, I have experience before. We drive motor with my friend who live in the Philippines already long time. He speak Tagalog in Dao. Yes, in Dao maybe. Nick, you know Nick. I sit, I'm passenger, back rider. How back rider say?
But you're happy.
And the dog bite my leg. He jump and bite my leg, scratch and pain. Yeah. I go to home and Shira said go to healer. Shira family said go to healer. And maybe in healer I have picture. I don't know. Maybe still have picture. I pay 500 peso and the healer he have a blade. You know blade. He cut my something in the
It's
leg.
a little bit small.
A little bit, but he said need remove blood, like this. Healer, Philippine healer. Maybe someday I take video, because before I not filming. What's
Sergey.
Сергей, хорошей дороги, мягкой посадки. It's Sergey. Thank you, Sergey. I don't know, because we have many Sergey. One Sergey have in the Philippines, in Angeles.
Who's this one, Sergey?
Thank you. I don't know, because I know many Sergeys, but спасибо. I speak Russian, okay? Сергей, спасибо. К сожалению, я не знаю, какой Сергей, потому что у меня много друзей с именем Сергей. Один, кстати, сейчас на Ангелесе. Ну, я еще с ним не встречался, он недавно приехал. Друг. Okay, I continue speaking English because some of subscribers they don't speak Russian language. Some of subscribers also Chinese, my friend Chinese. Guys, I want to maybe I planning show to you. Shaira sleep already. Shaira sleep. Okay, I will put like this camera. If Shaira not talk. I planning go to the China, maybe July, maybe. So July my birthday, 54 years already. Yes, I will go to China. Shire wake up already. When I talk, Shire already wake up. I planning to go to China, Shenzhen also, and Guangzhou, and Dongguan. It's also my business trip, but I want to show to you some of places, same like Angeles City. You know, Angeles City, it's many people know, it's like many girls in China have same city in Dongguan, it's Changping. Most of the girls from all the China before we go to this Changping city. Chinese people know about this city, and you can rent in KTV. So interesting place. I have many friends because I have before business in KTV. I have for KTV supply vodka, beer from Russia. I have business also. It's all legal, it's all good. We have company with Chinese friends. That's why I want to show to you if still have KTV. KTV about 1,000 girls. 1,000 girls, one KTV. And this city, in Changping, it's city number one city with a 5-star hotel in one small place. Because so many Gongongers from Gongong people visit. Who watch video from China, they know, or from Gongong. They know about Changping, Dongguan. I have business also with electronics products in Dongguan. That's why I visit every week. It's easy for me. I travel from my home in Shenzhen to Dongguan. It's about 1 hour. Highway, it's very good road. 1 hour to Changping, Dongguan. But I will use train, high-speed train to Dongguan in July maybe. Maybe we go together with Shaira, but I don't know about the visa, because for me not need visa, just free. 1 month free, not need to visa. If you need more months, just leave China again, come back to China. It's easy. But for Shaira need visa. I can make for her visa because I have some document in China. But I'm not sure about Philippine people, how, I don't know. Shaira. No, I said I don't know about how to Philippine people allowed or not to go to China.
But in your birthday,
No, my birthday.
it's our anniversary.
Yes, Shaira, but I don't know. No. First, we need travel to Thailand.
Oh, the
Huh?
Gambler 69. Where are you going? Well, we're going to Thailand right now. We're just waiting for our flight.
We're going. Philippine passport holders need to visa to go to China. Yes, need visa, but I know how to apply visa if she go with me. In the border, I know.
What? Travel bloggers who?
cannot see because travel buddies who went to China clearly state
China to state
What
was
is need
needed
to
from
visa?
visa.
maybe you know before Russian people also need visa. But I bring Georgi to China with me, and we make visa in the border for Georgi. I help to him, but need to who invite Chinese business partner who invite you to China and need to him confirmation. I just call to Beijing to my friend, and he talk in customs, and they allowed. He give all information to immigration. That's why before Georgi make visa in the border. Yes, but usually need visa. I remember I pay for Georgi visa 120 yuan. 120 yuan visa. Now already 130 yuan. It's already 3 months.
Can try this.
Shaira, sweet, if I drink
It's not sweet.
Not sweet, okay. If I eat sweet, I cannot sleep. Maybe better before sleep, maybe not eat sweet.
But also you can try.
I will try.
Even tip or is this even I eat sweet or not? I want sleep.
Ah, you can sleep.
Because it's
Always.
orange.
Orange?
It's a bit like orange. You can just taste of the orange.
No, orange. Orange bread.
What
What
mall
is
is
it?
this?
Hmm?
You asking about the mall?
About no?
I think it's not mall. It's airport.
What small it's this? It's Plaza Premium in Clark International Airport.
That's VIP lounge.
No, VIP, not VIP. In the Philippines, if you have little bit money, you already VIP. If you can pay. No, it's only Plaza Premium. Plaza Premium for.
I was about to ask if you're flying via Clark or Naiya, but when I saw the water bottle, it wasn't having transfer. Ah, okay.
No, this is
Yeah, it's Clark. Clark.
Yes, Clark International Airport. By the way, Clark International Airport, I think, for me, it's #1 airport in the Philippines. Really, it's very good. Don't have so many people. Easy. Not many, not crowded. Everything have. Even three, like same like Plaza lounge. Three lounge. But problem, lounge working only from 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. If you have flight morning, I usually my flight is morning to Hong Kong. I cannot go to Plaza Premium because Plaza Premium closed this time. Open only 9, but 9 I already.
Can I ask what time our flight?
Our flight is 6:50. Wait, I will little bit. Hold up.
Total stranger.
Huh?
I recommend to withdraw all your money from the bank, the Western world, from the moment. Because soon they may certainly restrict the amount of cash you can withdraw from the ATM.
Your money, total stranger. Soon maybe several restrict amount cash will withdraw from the ATM. If continue problem in with Middle East problem.
Are those
Maybe.
Samsung phones? Yes.
Oh, Shaira use Samsung phone is Galaxy, I don't know,
S20
S
Ultra.
Ultra. Yes. My phone is what is Flip. About money, guys, I use money from China. That's why if I need money, I can go to China. I can use ATM, of course, but usually my money from China, Chinese yuan. I hope don't have any problem in China. But yes, it's, I know many people talk about this, about money, because if long time problem in Middle East with gas, it's, yes, I know about this. But I think if you know, maybe if many people want to cash out money from ATM, maybe bank will lock your account if you start to cash out money from ATM. Like just, for example, if I try to cash out from the Russian bank, they block account. But I don't have money from Russia. No, I have, but I not use.
Can it be switched?
Yes, I will. But it's true. Yeah, it's true about ATM. If have problem, vault problem, better have cash. Any cash, dollar, peso.
Because from heavy.
Maybe about my bag, I will show. This is backpack, 21 liters only, no, 25 liters, 7 kilograms. But I put a laptop also, it's 7 kilograms, but you know how light hack. This is all my clothes. This one. This is all my clothes. T-shirt, jacket, inside. It's about 2 kilograms.
You're leaving Philippines forever? No.
No, Philippines will not live forever.
You live here forever in Philippines.
Live Philippines or living in
You're
Philippines?
leaving Philippines
Leaving.
forever. He asking if you're not come back to Philippines already. Again.
I hope we come back. March 19-hour flight. No, not, our flight is March 18. March 18, 10 p.m. And we will arrive next day, 19, 2 a.m.
We're gonna use TikTok. We're gonna ask myself para open. Before I will gonna sleep. Before we go.
What you doing in Clark? In Clark we just waiting
Our flight.
our flight. After 1 hour and 40 minutes, our flight to Bangkok. Bangkok, and from Bangkok we will go to Pattaya. We will take bus. I will filming. It's good with, I use always with camera, very good. Small, not need always I use hold. And I will show to you in the video. Next week you can watch. This week you can watch video from Angeles City, because I have scheduled every video from 8 a.m. 8 a.m. You can watch video from Angeles City, from Fields Avenue. And interesting video, really interesting moments, especially last video. How one have problem in the dark Dark Road, problem with one girl. Really, I'm shocked. You can watch later. Members already can watch. I already upload.
Need to,
What?
you can just later, right?
No, live stream until now. Okay, what? How long time already live stream?
1 hour.
Fifteen watching live already. 1 hour maybe. Okay, maybe we will stop live stream. Shaira want to make. Shaira want to sing karaoke. And I don't know. Maybe I will edit. Maybe I will make shorts. Because shorts I always do in the phone. Maybe I will upload shorts. Yeah. Okay, Shaira need to say to our subscribers.
Thank you for watching, guys. This is webinar.
Next live stream from Pattaya. We can show to you Pattaya. Maybe I connect this camera to Mima application, DJI, and maybe you can watch. So I will try. Okay, thank you. I don't know how to stop live stream. Stop, okay.